How to export progress into the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to export progress on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Settings at the top right corner. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find Export Progress right here. Now to export it, simply tap on to Export Backup File. Select it. And now simply export it using your files, or you can simply copy and paste it onto your files and your email. You can also export it using your mail and drive as well. Now tap onto one, and by doing that you will simply export your progress and save your progress without an account. And that's it. This is how you can export progress in the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.